New to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this 2019 Ford F-250 Lariat Edition Crew Cab pickup. On the outside, you have a rear backup camera, remote start, and fully automatic headlights. Inside, you have spacious leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, push-to-start technology, and auto-dimming rearview mirror. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation, and it has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected on the go. This one-owner 2019 Ford F-250 Lariat has less than 86,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.